Today is the day. Today we are very excited. Today is the day. Come on. Check this out. Check this out. The latest Tecno Spark 9T. Wow. The banging of this box is just so amazing. Can't wait to unpackage this and see what's in here. So welcome for those of you that are joining us. Welcome. Yeah, for those ones returning, thank you for being here. We're glad. Yeah, thank you for the support. So today we're going to box this latest Tecno Spark 9T. Yeah, I got this yesterday. I just got it yesterday. It's the latest model of Tecno out there on the market. Want to check out new features which are there. So before we get straight into opening this, we'll just check what's on the packaging, is what they expect us to find in their product. Okay, yeah, okay, whoa, okay, there's been an addition of warranty. Yeah, there's an addition of warranty from 12 months. They've added one more month, meaning you have 13 months. You can break the phone. It's okay. As in any technical, according to Tecno agents, any technical problem faced within this period, you can take it there, they will fix it for free. Yeah. What's this other thing? Whoa. I didn't see this. Come on. It has an Android system version of 12. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. It's an Android version 12. These are very latest phones. Android version 12. Whoa. Come on, Tecno. You've done it again. Front camera, it does 35. Oh, sorry. That's something else. 32 megapixel front camera. Hey, this is not something new. I've seen this feature like in previous Tecnos, so don't think they have changed much about this. Yeah, battery is just the same, 500 mAh super battery. I don't know what they mean by super battery, but we'll find out once we start. Wait a minute. Memory fusion. What's this? Memory fusion. It says here there's a RAM of 4 GB, but there's this new cool features they have added, which is memory fusion. When your RAM stops performing well, it's lagging and all that, you can add up another RAM, which is 3 GB. So come on, who can't buy this? You get it, 7 GB RAM on your phone. Come on, this is like buying an iPhone 13. Yeah, so okay, I think we have talked too much. It's time we open the box, find out what's in here. There's a lot of new features. I'm excited about. How do you open this? You open this. Oh, storage. I didn't talk about the storage. Sorry. It's same as some previous Tecnos, 64 GB ROM. Nothing has changed about that. Pakawala alava. That's better than drama. Better than drama. Hey. Wow. I'm excited with these. Come on. Oh, this is even. Oh, I wanna take a look at this. Okay. So this is this. Oh, sorry. It was a prank. No, it's not a prank. Actually, I've already opened this phone. I'm capturing this video on the same Tecno Spark 90. Yeah, the same one I'm capturing. I'll give you a screenshot of what's going on the screen. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. I unpacked it yesterday. You think I'm not that curious? I would wait a day to open this. I opened it immediately. I got it. So yeah, I talked about the warranty by Tecno. Yeah, this they've added 1 more month. Though I know most people don't like usually go for this. Yeah. Okay, so let's get straight into the screen. You see what it looks like on the Tecno Spark 90. How it looks like operating on the Tecno Spark 90. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so this is how the Tecno Spark 90 looks like. Yeah, this phone is the latest. In case you're just tuning in, it's the latest phone. This is how it looks. The nice animated cartoon by Tecno, riding on a skateboard. Yeah, there are a lot of new features. Even I myself right now, I'm still figuring out my way through this phone. Yeah, I've just had like few features that I've looked out. Yeah, there's error. It's a feature on the phone, like you command it to maybe call somebody, tell it to play music, text somebody. Yeah, that's what the feature it does. So we'll go straight to the settings. You see what the settings looks like for this Tecno. Yeah, without wasting much of the time. So boom, these are the settings for the Tecno. Yeah, it has a processor of Aerial G37, front camera of 32 megapixel. Come on, this is a monster. RAM, there's a RAM of total, that's 7 GB, 65 GB ROM. Battery, still the same. Screen, this is not something new to me. I've seen this before. Yeah, 100 version. Come on, take a look at the 100 version on this phone. It's 12, man. It's 12. These are latest phones. So here are the features. They also saw this. Yeah, I don't know. Tecno ID overview. I haven't signed through this yet. I'm still reading through the terms and condition. I can't sign in on things that I don't understand. Yeah, for now, I'll just walk you through where I'm able to do certain stuffs. Yeah. So this is storage. As you can see, I've already occupied some of the storage with some stuffs. Yeah. Whoa, I forgot something. I forgot something. This phone has a side fingerprint. Yeah, for those of you that are used to having your fingerprint behind just right next to the camera behind here. Whoa, go stuck your balls. Sorry for the language. Yeah, it has a side, the same button we use to light up the phone, switch it on. Yeah, same button can be used as a fingerprint sensor. Yeah, that's the function here. Just like an iPhone. I've seen this feature on an iPhone. Don't know what iPhone is that. Yeah, this feature is also on an iPhone. They've brought it on Android. Tecno, yeah. Tecno has done it. Okay, so there are a lot of new features here. There are a lot of features. You can see I've already opened up most of the files. Most of the files here have been opened up. I'm a game man. I like games. Already loaded up Dream League Soccer there. Yeah. Okay. We have screen recorder. Yeah, screen recorder. As you are watching this, it's the same I'm using to record this video. It's the screen recorder application that's recording this video. Yeah. So what else? Facebook, WhatsApp, everything is in there. There's one new feature I'm looking for. Where is that feature? Where's that feature? Where's that feature? Where's that feature? Come on. Oh, so here are the apps. already loaded up these apps. Yeah, here are the features which are here. Okay, so we'll be going straight down one by one, breaking down each and every application, finding out how it works. Come on, this thing is just new. Just got this thing like recently, so I haven't discovered much about it. Still going my way through this. Hope I get used to this phone as soon as possible so that I can make new videos to help you also check out what other features you can do on this phone, videos and all other kind of things. Yeah. Okay. So what are we doing here? Let's take a look at the camera. So yeah, that's that's me. This is the screen recorder recording this. Yeah, I'm showing how the camera looks like. Comment down below how you feel. Has there been any new features? In case you have already gotten this, what new features are your favorite on this Tecno? What did you like? What didn't you like about this? Tell me otherwise. I'm liking the selfie. Come on, take a look at how I'm looking. Yeah, it may not look like iPhone, but come on, this is original. This is original stuff. It's just that I have some challenges with the lighting. I think there's too much lighting here. Yeah, that's the issue here. Otherwise, all things are just okay. So this is the front camera. Let me show you around the back camera. Back camera. So this is the back camera. Yeah, the back camera. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye to this phone. I was stuck using this camera phone. Yeah, for now. We are doing it with Tecno Spark 90. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll keep you updated on this Tecno. I'm still going through this phone.